Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, there is one member, one Gbola warrior, when he bear RIP. One Gbola warrior where they support Ekwensu Lumasi Mami Water when he bear RIP. For those of una wey they follow me, una know say I dey always dey talk and say, Juju Ekwensu fans, wetin they no know, now they put hand. Many of them wetin they don't know, now they put hand. They always they tell them say, hope they tie their wrapper well for the journey when they won't start with Juju Ekwensu. Some may look at it like joke, like content. Not be everybody be like me, Edochie. You can be a May Nation, you can go and sleep in the night. May Edochie will not come for you. But you can never be Juju Ekwensu member. You can never be a supporter of Juju Ekwensu and you are not spiritually involved into something you don't know. Now, this Juju Ekwensu fan, when he be RIP, there is a video she did when she for the drag Kambili Shuku. Even that me Edochie is fine. They say do not talk bad about people who don't be RIP. She talk about me Edochie. She dey drag me Edochie. She dey drag the children. They drag everything. Fine. Now they are alive, don't be there they drag. As long as person they breathe, they must talk about her. But this girl did not stop there. Or should I say woman? She did not stop there. There is a content or a video that she did when she dragged Kambili Shuku. Hi. You need to hear what this girl said about Kambili Shuku. You go there page, if they never delete her. You need to hear what she was saying about Kambili Shuku. According to her, now I know the reason why she dey talk am. For that video, she said Kambili Shuku must be RIP. Why not go be RIP? Pikin wey not be yo. Pikin wey me Edochie first give yo. Another man pikin wey me Edochie carry come house. He say as Juju Ekwensu can save yo. Every evil thing when me Edochie take pin yo down. All of them buy. Say na him make Kambili Shuku buy. Say the first pikin wey not be yo. Me Edochie force am give yo. He say Kambili Shuku no find peace. Say never. Say all the money we Juju Ekwensu and yo work, where they take train that boy. Whereas that boy no be yo pikin. She even went as far as saying that Kambili Shuku know say yo no be papa. Say all of them plan out together just to deal with yo. Say na Juju Ekwensu na come save yo. Say this boy wanted to eat the fruit of yo real senior son, which is Tadike. He said the rest children, he said no one will be yo. He says Tadike na be senior. He said as Kambili Shuku, me Edochie won't use Kambili Shuku to do senior pikin. Now their ancestors strike Kambili Shuku, buy Kambili Shuku. He said never end. He said one after the other, me Edochie enemy children go down. He said Kambili Shuku can never find peace. He said na make it so no rest. Na make it so they jump up and down they go. He said because the mother need to confess. He said now me Edochie need to set Kambili Shuku free. Because me Edochie know say Kambili Shuku no be yo pikin carry and give yo. Say that thing I call the worry the pikin. When the pikin take by. Say if me Edochie not confess, say Kambili Shuku not go rest. Say make me Edochie go confess. Hey, my people. He said, "I so Kambelechukwu will continue from." I don't know how they talk this parable for English. He said, "Will continue from that word when he did that word of Pharaoh IP. From there, they enter more because of their evil plan." He said, Mayor Edochie and his son, they won't take the position. He said, Mayor Edochie and his son, they won't take. He said, Mayor Edochie and his children, they want to take the position of Yul Edochie rich children, which is the Stadike. He said, why did Yul Edochie choose Juju Ekwensu? You choose Juju Ekwensu because Juju Ekwensu is his first wife. They born the rich children for you. The rest are counterfeits. He said, Kambelechukwu no ever find peace. Person wey don be RIP. They no go ever find peace. He say all of them with their mama, they know everything. See, they know. He say wetin make Mayor Edochie children just quick cut off their papa. You know, say very soon at this point, you fit go do DNA. So he say, see the way Mayor Edochie children take cut off you because Mayor Edochie don already tell them say you is not their father. Make them not worry. Even if you waka comot, make dem leave am, make they go. Say their real father will show one day. That was what she was saying. You can talk about Mayor Edochie, you can talk about her children, but not her late son. Not her late son. You insulted this child because you dey date married man. And you feel that what Juju Ekwensu did is right. Some women where they date married men. They date them, they chop their money, they will never destroy their home. It is not good to date a married man at all. But there are some women who get sense say, make I chop and clean out, not be me go destroy person home. Not be my head, another woman go cry. Even if that woman do already they cry for the person head. Because sleeping with her husband means taking her peace. Means taking her joy. That man no fit give his wife everything again. Most of married men, they give their side chick 80% and they give their wife just 20% of their time in bed, time in marriage, time in children's life, 20%. The 80% na side chick and they give. So after this girl don't talk everything finish, she can't carry belle. Even when she get belle, she was insulting Mayor Edochie. She dey curse Mayor Edochie. She dey curse Mayor Edochie. As she get belle, she go hospital. The man wey get belle for, they say make come sign. A married man want to sign. Are you okay? The man is a married man, but not all married men are like you. Some married men are just knocking you for Nicodemus. Some married men some married men, they follow side chick because there are certain things where they not feel ask their wife may give them. When you they date Juju Ekwensu, they give them back. They give them backyard knocking. Backyard where wasting they come outside. They give you the knock, which Mayor Edochie never did. So you see the difference. Sometimes they go to you because what their wife cannot give to them, they'll come with you. You will feel say yes. Now you sabi, now you they give. They give, they destroy your life, destroy your health, destroy your future. When Juju Ekwensu they sit down now, his shirt where he sit down put all the weight. Mayor Edochie they wear white. She can go anywhere. Mayor Edochie fit stay, they go party, fit stay like 3 hours, 4 hours. But Juju Ekwensu, if he stay reach that time, go they smell. Because why? The backyard they leak. So not all married men will come to you because say they love you. Some are coming because of what they will get from you. This Juju Ekwensu Gbola warrior now, he use maths to talk bad of Kambelechukwu. Today she don't go. She too, she don't go. May go see how the world be for that side. Wait till they mock person. Wonder shall never end. I tell una say, People wey dey Juju Ekwensu Gbola warrior. Now the girl now, they say she won't born, she get belle for married man. They tell married man, say make the married man come pay money. Married man not come. He get wife. They say that they call and not pick up. I want a pick up when he deal with his wife. Now everybody mumu like Juju. Now everybody mumu like yo. Where they go abandon their real family because of side chick. That is mumurity. Now they worry you will be say he has no value. You can't destroy your home because of any side chick. Any man that do it is a mumu. It's a mumurity. It's a mumurity from the pit of hell. That's why nobody take you serious. How do you even think of abandoning your home? And you think a side chick will fix it for you? You think a side chick will fix you? See as they fix you, they go down. Nobody's associating with you. Everybody, they distance themselves from you. You. This girl feel as she's supporting Juju Ekwensu as you they do. She feel say maybe now so her sugar daddy boyfriend go still do. When she carry belle for the man, now so the man they treat her bad. The man was treating her bad. The man refused to sign CS. The girl can't carry belle. He friend the man, so they can't carry belle. As he carry belle, she go hospital. They say she not fit born normal. Say na CS. Okay, born with CS. They call they say make the man come sign. But they not see oga. They call the man throughout the night because the man dey with his wife. Fear not go let him pick up. In the morning where the man come corner, they say that she don't give up her soul. You see some things happen. Some people will say, oh, they would have do it like this. They would have do it like this. Hey, you don't know where they cause spiritual attack. Now you go to blame some kind of thing. Say, the daughter could have saved her. They would have done something. Some things are bigger than what you know. Some things are already settled spiritually. It just need to happen physical. The person go just buy. That one, they don't buy and take. Some people, they waka, the spiritual rings, they don't buy. So they don't buy them since 2 years, 3 years. If I talk and I know they believe me. Some people don't buy 3 years ago. They are just a walking corpse. The reason why they are still moving is because God is giving them time to reverse it. God is giving them time to reverse it. That's why they are still moving. This ain't Juju Ekwensu Gbola warrior. The mouth where she take insult Kambelichukwu, where she take talk bad about May Edoshe pikin. Wait till this little boy do. Do you know him? Have you seen him before? What did he do to you? 16 years old boy, bye. You say his soul no go rest in peace, madam. You say his soul will not rest in peace. Because he won't take waiting or belong to her. Mona continue to the support. For those of una way they follow me, wait till they tell una. If you can remember, I always tell you people that are supporting Juju Ekwensu, they don't know what they are inheriting. Juju Ekwensu, as you see, and so and the family, every time that they do sacrifice, they know what they carry upon their head. That they do sacrifice, they bath themselves, they wash themselves, they wash things come up for their body. But people that don't know anything, they go, they shook mouth. Juju Ekwensu. I've always told you people that abomination is something you do not support. It be like person wey buy when they say, be like person wey Juju buy. Anybody wey Juju buy, you know they touch a property, you know they touch anything, even if the person a billionaire. They don't touch any of his thing. Anybody wey touch, it go down. That is how abomination is. Juju Ekwensu committed abomination. You committed abomination. And those of you in support, it will visit you. Una just they thought say, oh, they would have saved her, save waiting. Person wey matter don't settle spiritually. Waiting they won't settle. The doctor is being used. Everybody will be used. They will push out to people that will fasten up what they have settled in the spiritual realms. I dey warn all this Gbola warrior. What you people are putting your hands into, you don't know. You don't know. It might not happen today. It will happen one day. May Edochie hands are clean. That is where you people are getting it wrong. May Edochie hands are clean. Even the gods of the land, they support her. Even the ancestors, they stand for her. Anything you can call, they stand for her. Now na carry pikin. You carry this woman pikin. You say pikin no go find peace. You carry this woman, you dey drag am. May Edochie no get hand for wetin happen to you. May Edochie no get hand. Now wetin you dey support like by you. If nobody tell you the truth, let your family go and do their research. Now they inherit wetin una no know. Now they inherit curses. Una no know. Juju Ekwesu wey dey do cleansing, they go bath themselves. Una wey no know one, no two. You people are supporting evil. Supporting evil. Insulting me. I don't tell una say the worst thing you want to do as a content creator is drag May Edochie. You, your children, your generation, all to come. Now go find May Edochie to beg for forgiveness. And then I pray it should not be too late. This girl not be because of the CS Nightmare. Nothing. Nothing scientifically is affected. Nothing happened to that girl. Her own is already programmed in the spiritual realms. Everything that happened to her has been programmed in the spiritual realms. Now I make the girl buy. Everything has been settled. Who do you support? It's a lot. Now see Mami Water on the enter. You know, say I felt they say, I tell Juju Ekwesu fans say, there is no need to go to church and pray. Don't, if you are supporting Juju Ekwesu, don't call God. If you call God, he will strike you. The moment you start supporting Juju Ekwesu, begin to worship Mami Water. That is what she came with. That is why she initiates people. She have initiated a lot of people into their kingdom, but they don't know. Many of them, they dream, they see strange faces. Wait till you know. Wait till you concern strange faces. How will you be dreaming and seeing somebody you don't know? And you people are gathering together, in a gathering together. They've initiated you. You don't join wait till you don't know. Your soul, your spirit go meeting when you don't know. Who are you supporting? Mine do you support? Oh? Now, yeah, I dey want them. I dey want them, they're not the year. Juju Ekwesu don't initiate them. They are all initiated. There is no need of you supporting Juju Ekwesu and calling the name of God. Like I said, God will strike you one day. As you don't support Juju Ekwesu, start worshiping Mami Water. Start worshiping her, because you can't be supporting Mami Water and on Sunday you go they call God. They will strike you. A lot of them are under bondage. A lot of them that are supporters of Juju Ekwesu, unless the one that have 4 eyes. I felt they tell them. I say if you don't get 4 eyes, not support Juju Ekwesu. This one wake by so you don't get any spiritual power. She's empty. She's empty. Very easy to strike. You don't get 4 eyes, you dey support person when he dey fly. You dey support person when he be say they do juju. And on Sunday, the only thing you call on is God. They will strike you. They will strike you. Now only ordinary fan, only you ordinary human being, now you dey support. It will just be a social media support, or should I call it you just be a social media fan. You just be as May Edochie dey now. We are just fan to May Edochie. May Edochie not get where carry our name go. That's why I always tell you that today I might be supporting May Edochie. Tomorrow I say, oh, I not support again. And I will walk freely. I not go sleep, dream, see May Edochie tell me, say, why did you stop supporting me? No. But if you are supporting Juju Ekwensu and you decide to walk away, or you decide to call the name of God, hey, they will come for you. They will come for you. Don't tell why they want them. This girl RIP, there is nothing like mistake. Oh, the man did not come. The man slept off. Some kind things are being manipulated in the spiritual realms. Waiting, they don't plan for grant. We sleep, the man call they sleep. You know, hear phone call. Before he come, the woman don't buy. Why the people waiting there? Why they not help? They wash and wish they give up a ghost. Everything is being manipulated. My lovely fans, the only solution for Juju Ekwensu fans, make una stop to the drag May Edochie. She is innocent. She's innocent. My lovely fans, the woman now don't buy. They can't believe Chukwu say no go rest in peace. She herself don't go join her. May we see how she herself won't rest in peace. A little boy that is fighting a battle, a big battle, the boy never ready to go. You open your mouth, you say we will not rest in peace. Even that boy spirit will fight you. He himself no go hear that word, make it give you peace. People where they're spiritually blind. They are not only physically blind, they are spiritually blind. See this one now. Chon, 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 chon. Chon, chon, chon. A lot will come. A lot of them are coming. A lot. They are being initiated. Sometimes I advise them. I say, go to a pastor. Go to church where they see vision. They will see the vision for you that they have initiated you because of waiting you go because of evil where you go support. See you will be Christian. See the way they turn you. You na they preach juju given now. Talk less of you. We just be ordinary fans. They will use you. You don't know how they use people spiritually. If you know, go stay your lane. Make una continue to dey support. Now here we do. I tell you now, I not believe. I see it all they happen. One by one. One by one. Person will give which chop, it dey buy the person. Talk less of you. Make una continue. I told you they laugh, can't believe you could say bye. Now good for her. Okay, we dey here. Let's keep on watching. They've gone to bury her. She have gone just like that. Because leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.